On top of the 20 loads of dirt that I had brought in for the concrete pad, we had to bring in another 5 extra loads of dirt just to shore up the concrete pad. Now you're probably wondering, why does this pad have to be so high off the ground? Well, I'm standing on the reason. Our septic tank. The reason the septic tank has to be up so high is a lot of that's due to the regulations of this area, which I'm not going to go into. But we need to have this height that we're also going to build our house on, and we also want the shop to be equally as high. So we're going to have to bring in quite a lot of dirt. Okay, I think we've seen enough about dirt. So now I'm just waiting for the delivery of my steel building kit. Oh well, I guess we'll just have to wait till the next video. So until then, get out to your shop and make some sawdust.